Hello. We have a wonderful human being here, Shrikant. Let me introduce you, Shrikant, by a unique person that he has. He's taken up a job to introduce yoga to the corporate world. Let's hear more from him. Shrikant, tell me something more about yoga, Sanjeevani.
Yoga or yoga as it is popularly known is a process of integration, process of integration of our personality. As we all know, our personality is in terms of the physical body, in terms of the emotional heart, and in terms of our feelings and thoughts, which come to the mind. When we are able to integrate all these three aspects, we become a better human being. And that's all yoga is all about. These are the tools and techniques to make a better person, a better human being.
How you started the yoga in your life?
Yeah. This journey again has been was started in about in 1980s, and we learned from Swamiji at Nagpur, and it continued through self study and self practice, and it got developed into a modular form. Then I worked in corporate for about 20 years. And, I was always thinking that I was a little aware of the stress and stressors at the corporate. So I thought, why not I use this opportunity to integrate the experience of the corporate and my yogic practice. So I basically worked in the logistics field. So I thought, why not get into this human logistics? And we all know that at workplace there is a lot of stress. And if that stress part is taken care of, the workplace would become very vibrant, and the energy levels will go up, and the productivity and the goals will be achieved much faster. And that's how it all started.
Beautiful. As we listen from what he said, corporate world is about stress. How is your experience being with the corporate world, teaching them about yoga, integrating those things in their day-to-day life?
Wonderful. The experience all over has been the same. When we go to the corporates, they are saying that yes, this is what we can do for you, or this is what we need from them. So what we do with them is basically get them the top managers, the middle managers, and people who are actually at the working desk together, get to them in an introductory session and have an interaction with them. With this interaction, what comes out is very clear as to what they want. Because a lot of times it happens that the top management thinks about few aspects, the middle management thinks about a particular set of things, while the people down the line want something else. So we try and get all of these three things together, and that's the introductory session we have with them. Basically, if you can say that could be that's our need analysis, and then we suggest them what type of yoga, what type of techniques should we give it to.
Beautiful. I was part of one of his training program and I keep hearing this word holistic approach to yoga. Shrikant, will you please tell me more about what is this holistic approach about yoga?
Understood. Holistic as a complete package, right? The World Health Organization talks about the physical health, the mental health, the emotional health, and the spiritual health. Now, all these factors, when you combine together, there are techniques which are related with the physical aspect of the personality, and that comes through the postures. Then there's the emotional health, the emotional heart. Heart is the center of seat of emotion. Now, heart needs love and gratitude. So, how do you cultivate in corporate culture? How do you involve and inculcate love and gratitude for things? That's the point. Loving your job. right? Doing the thing for your customers is the bhava, is the attitude by how you do it. So there are techniques of yoga to manage that, to improve those things. And then the mind, the fickle mind. Okay, how do you calm down the mind? So there are techniques of meditation. There are techniques of mantras, which bring them into the silent mode. And when the mind is silence, when the mind is creative, a lot more can be achieved.
Thank you, Shrikant. Thank you, everyone, for listening this video. I hope this information given by him can bring a change in the corporate world and people at large able to work with peace and come to a new level of prosperity. Thank you.
Thank you.